Hello. This is a rigid Heddle Loom I made at home from items I had around the house. The design is a conglomeration of borrowed ideas, including 3D printed and units I have observed on YouTube videos being demonstrated. Some elements had to be re-engineered several times to make them work. The main body is MDF, the heddle is 3D printed, as is the ratchet and pawls and their handles. The take-up and feed is a 1.25-inch PVC bar with a hole, and all thread is used for connecting. The balance of the video is my first attempt at weaving. I will likely modify the heddle again to increase the ease of warping, adding the holes are a bit small. Thanks.